In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button color on your Weebly website quickly and easily. This is a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To start, head over to Weebly's website. It's an excellent tool for building websites or online stores, especially for those who prefer a drag and drop style editor. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your email and password. Simply enter your credentials and click on Login to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the overview section of your Weebly dashboard. This is where you can see a summary of your activities and access various features of your website. Now look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will direct you to the main editing interface where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Once you're in the editor, you're going to want to click on the Build tab. This tab contains all the elements you can add or customize on your site, from text boxes to images and of course buttons. Scroll down until you find the button element and click on it. When you select it, options to modify the button will appear. Next, click on Button Style. This option allows you to choose from different preset styles for your button, providing a quick way to give your button a new look. Within this option, you will find a variety of customizations, including the color. Select the button option once again and you'll see a color palette or a color picker tool. Here is where you can have the real fun, changing your button color to whatever suits your theme or branding. You might have a specific color code in mind, or you might want to browse through the palette to find something new. Either way, once you've settled on the color, it will update on your site instantly, so you'll be able to see what it looks like in real time. And there you have it, a newly styled button in no time at all. This is indeed the easiest way to change a button color using Weebly's editor. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your site's buttons are consistent with your overall color scheme, enhancing both the aesthetics and usability of your website. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to website design, so make sure that any changes you make align with the broader style of your site. If you want to experiment more, feel free to explore the other customization options available in Weebly. Thank you for watching and happy website editing.